I think this would be a little bit of a challenge to do a 1,000-mile hot rod cruise, but the top is removable, so maybe it almost be like it was air conditioned. My name is Dave Shortz. I'm from Houston, Texas. Just moved down here, so we decided that we'd bring our LS-powered International Harvester Scout out to LS Fest, Texas. So this is my 1967 International Harvester Scout 800A. It was originally a factory two-wheel drive vehicle. I bought it about 4.5 years ago off a small car dealership in Wheeling, West Virginia. It had already had a small block Chevy put in it, and it was lackluster to say the least. Now it runs a LSX twin turbo on methanol. Now this is controlled by a Holley Dominator system. When we first started out, it had a small block with a sniper system on it, and recognized right away that EFI was the way to go. And every time we take it out, we learn something more and find new things to improve upon, to make it faster, make it safer, and more reliable.